Hello and welcome again. If you are already aware of this particular software, then this video going to be helpful to you. But if you don't know what is this thing, so let me tell you a brief introduction about this particular tool. So this is the remote desktop connection tool. Okay, it allows us to take remote access to other computer in your lab. So you can take access by typing any IP addresses. As you can see, I have already using some, so you can type over there and it will take you to that particular computer that you wanted to connect. Okay, so the problem with this particular software is it's only available in Windows. It's built for Windows and you can't take access through Windows to Linux tool. But today I'm going to show you how you can take access a Linux computer using this tool. So to do that, we are going to use a tool called XRDP. So XRDP, it's an open source implementation of Microsoft Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, to allow us graphically control your Linux computer. So let me show you how we can install that in our computer. So first of all, let me type IPADDR, so I can see what is my computer IP address. So as you can see, this is my computer IP address. Okay, now I'm going to type that particular IP address to see if I can connect to that particular system. Okay, now it's trying to connect to that particular system and it will not going to work because it will not find that port over there and the tool that required to install. So as you can see, it's saying a remote desktop connection failed. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can install that XRDP in our Linux system. So to do that, we are going to type sudo apt install XRDP. This is the command. So now it's asking for the user password. Okay, press Y. Now it's downloading the XRDP tool and it will install that tool in our computer. So okay, the installation is now completed. We are going to try once again and see if we can access that particular server using this Microsoft RDP tool or not. So let's connect. Okay, now it's asking to yes. Okay, this is the tool that we have installed. Now we are going to type the username and we are going to type the password. In the Windows, it will not allow you to use two particular profile at the same time, but in Linux you can do that. So let me type the password. Okay, it's saying authentication required, so let me type the password once again and we are on the desktop. So if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.